저기야?
아까 그럼 저기 맞을 거예요. 저희가 저쪽에서 근데 타고 일로 와세요.
Okay, which isn't that bad because when I put my name on the list, it was an 8-year wait. So right now, 5 years ain't too bad, okay? There's a couple people there, you know, on oxygen machine. 1975, and then 10 years later, they re-elected her. And then 10 years after that, they re-elected her again in the 90s. People really liked her. Now, 8 years ago, we got our second female mayor, Miss Ivory Taylor. In front of you guys, that one that looks like a bunch of squares, it's a first of its kind, guys. It's called modular technology. Okay, which isn't that bad because when I put my name on the list, it was an 8-year wait. So right now, 5 years ain't too bad, okay? There's a couple people there, you know, on oxygen machine. All the hotels we have now. So they were asking everybody, can anyone build us a 500-room hotel in a year?
아, 맛있겠다. 아, 괜찮은데요? 하나 해서 갈라 먹을까?
site.
Yeah, but why don't let stuff coming off it?
Waiting to dock why don't you come in because you've got clearance.
Awesome, guys. So, what is our sign for the turtles, real fast? This is our sign for the turtles. Awesome. By the vegetation moving around down there in the spring pressure. But back in the 60s, there was a ton more pressure here. The pressure coming out of this by a man named Dr. Joel Shiner back in the late 70s and early 80s. Now he came out here looking for prehistoric artifacts dating all the way back to the Ice Age. So what he would do, like the king of this area, I know we don't really have a good name for him, but we call him Bob. This is kind of like his domain over here, and this is where he likes to hang out.
Like King Bob from the Minions?
Exactly, like King Bob.
Yeah, he's all by himself.
Yeah, so
We haven't sold the beef.
able to get to see a lot of these up close down there at the bottom. And so while it was down,
준비하는 시간 되면은
어.
초콜릿만 뺏어 먹어요.
하나만 뺏어 먹어. 아빠도 뭐, 어우, 금방 만들었다. 뜨겁다, 야. 엄청 뜨겁다. 뜨겁다. 엄마 하나 줘. 먹었다. 맵다. 뜨겁지? 굉장히 뜨겁다. 그렇게?